Hey guys, Andy Argent. Good afternoon. How are you, sir? Um, all right, let's have a look, see what's going on over here. Suggesting the audio streams bitrate is low. How do how do I change the bitrate settings? Okay, so this is all new to me. Change the bitrate settings. This is where I need someone that knows what the hell they're doing. Okay, so I quite like the look of the hourly potential on gold. So basically, if we just let me just there's no positions running, so let's just get this out of the way, make it as big as we can. Uh, okay, so let's have a look at the chart, bring it into context, and see what we can see what's going on today. So gold, we're down 120 points on the day. We've broken yesterday's low, which would insinuate that we are going to head back lower. So my bias right now is to the downside. Um, we are proving that 48.30, which is a bit of a structural level, it's 48.20 on the spot market, 48.33 um, on futures. Let me change this. There we go. All right. Oops. Anna Fenton, AKU R5C. Who is that? Is, Let me see if I have no idea who that is, unless it's just a different name. So who's AKU R5? Is it C or E? My eyes are playing up on me. Oh, it's Uloko. How you doing, bud? All right. Okay, so hmm. Okay, so the hourly charts a fair bit different on futures too. Uh, okay, so 30. In fact, so like I said, my bias is to the short side, but let's drop in structure points. Get rid of that song. Doing my So 30 breaking the high here. Let's see if we can find something maybe on the lower time frame to, ooh, bit messy. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to look for, as I said, unless we get a break above here, look, based on where we are, if you wanted, you could be looking at buys here, but I'm going to sit tight on that one. I'm going to look for either like BPC range trade from this price point here, 49.12, or I'm going to look for a breakout. So it all comes down to what candle presents itself. Oh, NASDAQ longs could be interesting. Uh, yes, I'm just going to buy at market. Buying at market. Okay. Sorry, that was a bit speedy. Now, I'll explain why in a second. So I've been looking at this price point for a while. Oh, I need to go to a higher time frame. See if the futures is any different. So we see this price has been rejecting the bottom of this zone here for a while. We're in the lower part. Now on the 30, what I liked was, let me move this across. We'd broken, we closed below, been inside. Then this candle broke the lows, and then I bought it literally as it broke the highs. So I'm trading this as an outside candle, looking for it to run back up into the range. Now the day was around 300. It's rallied about 70 points from the low. So I think we're going to see maybe a little bit of a relief rally. I don't think it'll be a whole new change and back into bull mode unless we get above probably this price point. But oh, I need to adjust my take profit. 25,000 psychological number. I want to be all out way before that. And what did we get in at? 24,842. So 842. So there we go. So I put 25 points initial TP. 25 points initial TP, and then I'll just hit the old break even button. Yeah, so today currently down $226 on the day. Ooh, nice trade on the open. Nice trade initially with a coaching session with one of my members, Stephen Buckley, and then I took two back-to-back losses. During the coaching session, yeah. So yeah, let's see if we can get our 25 points here. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on, just check I've put the right number. Yeah, 5. It's amazing. It's like looking through binoculars. Now, yes, the NASDQ has been in free fall for a couple of days, but it's one of those markets, indexes. I do like to buy them when they get to these key areas, especially if I can see something turning. So I'm a much keener buyer of indexes than I am a seller, because the whole purpose of an index is to go up in value, right? Why is that? It's a company. Companies, what are they meant to do? Are they meant to lose money or are they meant to make money? So if they're meant to make money, what should that mean for share prices? In theory, should go up. So intrinsically, I prefer to buy indexes. Doesn't mean that I will only sell, I don't sell them. I will sell them, but when we come into these key areas, definitely more inclined to be a buyer. All right, get ready with the old break even button. Uh, 848. Hold on. 848. 73. That should be. 68 will be when I hit the break even. So another 14 points. Let's just drop in the line at 68. Well, there we go. Let's hit break even. Oh, it's going to be annoying. So could be a break even trade, and there it is. Break even it is. Why did I hit break even? Because it went 70% to target. Right, what's going on with gold? We'll come back to this one in a little bit. So Just looking at this, we've had move up, move back down, break of the high. So we have had a little mini change in cycle structure on the lower time frame. Just we're retapping this area. We'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait. So gold, as I said, my preference is sells. It may just go without us. Oh God, these glasses are sending me funny. Forex factory. Let's see what news we've got coming in. Oh, what's the messages? I got a nice short on the DAX. Uh, uh, yeah, unfortunately, I can't trade the DAX on here. But I will be looking at sells on gold, but it may, if we get a pop up, I'll sell underneath that low. The, oh, literally. 60, so I want 55. I'm catching a couple of wrong buttons here and there with this new platform. So sell at market as opposed to hitting the sell stop, but I think I'll be all right. Our Forex Factory Thursday. ECB, fine. Unemployment claims came in higher than expected. Oh, well, that was 10 minutes ago. We shall see. Okay. So if we break this low, if we break our own low, I'm just going to bring my stop right down above the high of the candle. Go on, break the low. Change this. I'm not enjoying this. Okay, so NAS looks like it's about to pop higher. But we're going to wait for that one. I need another candle close. Okay, let's get to break even, guys. There we go. And we got nice 50 odd pips. Just bring that down. Oh, the day. We're in profit now for the day. Was 500 down. All right. $600 up, and now I'm going to bank three units. There we go. Okay, done. All right, let's see if we can maximize this last little bit. Let me know if you caught some pips there, guys. 1.5% up on the day, sitting out now for the rest of the afternoon. Nice one, Dan. Uh, Not on that trade, Mark. If the 15-minute candle closed with a long wick, would you do a flip short on gold? Let's have a look. You could sell this low. No. You could sell this bullish candle low if you wanted, because it'll be an outside candle. The only downside is in the 15 minutes. You've moved what? 40, Jesus Christ, $47. I think I've. All right, so I've just trailed the stop down because it broke the previous candle's low. Uh, okay, let's update the stats. Uh, okay, so like I said, bias is short on gold, but I think we need to wait now for a couple of things to happen. Yeah, we'll sit tight on gold now. Sit tight. If it comes down here, spikes through, and then comes back above, we can look for a false break. If it comes down, closes below, we can look for a breakout. If price should rotate back up to this 49.12, then we look for BPC range trade from up there. Let me see. There we go. Oh, that was lucky. Like I said, still getting used to the system. Right. Daily chart. I mean, sentiment's definitely bearish, but look, yesterday market came straight into this price point where we are right now, and then reversed. So, um, sorry, I just saw a screen up there, and it's what's actually happening on the chart, and there's just a little bit of a lag. I thought, hold on a second, what's going on here? So, as I was saying, we've come into a key area where price reversed yesterday, and it wasn't just a small little reversal. It jumped back up 330 points. So big old jump. So this is why I'm looking for maybe some kind of reaction like what we saw yesterday. So let's scroll back and zoom in to what happened yesterday. See if we can see any change in structure or breakout trade. Okay, right. First one was here, but it was a naked close and a naked open, so no trade. 12. So you got 26 points here. You could look BPC here initially. Then you could have looked for a second BPC with the outside candle. Then I would leave it. Then you've got a breakout here. So we've closed above the wicks, tiny little pullback, and then we break above the highs. And it pretty much does run up into that structure. So that's what we want to look for today. So let's go back to the 15. Mm, move up, pull back down, break out. It was quite a one-directional move, so yeah, it was kind of 5-minute-esque. Mm. Yeah, so let's get rid of these drawings. I'm going to wait for price to close above here now. I'll leave the cells alone for the time being. So we're going to look for 24,846 for round numbers. Um, uh, 1 second, guys. I just need to find out what time my appointment is, and then I know when I can stay on till. I could probably need to go in 20 minutes. Okay, so 10 past 2. About 10 past 2, I need to close it off. This is a range trade off of 5. You could take that. $17. Okay, rewards in your favor. Think I'll um, think I'll wait for sell options. Oh, Bitcoin. Where is it? So I'm just looking. What have we got? Oh, it's the first minute of the 5-minute candle, right? Okay. Yeah, leave this one alone for now. But Bitcoin's had a bit of a drop today. And the meltdown continues, which I don't mind because I'm dollar cost averaging. So, uh, okay, we've got a gap here to fill, and plenty of gaps, but there's so 65k. It looks quite, yeah. So BPC's all the way down on this one, guys. Look at this. Up range, bearish candle, back down to the lows. Inside, up range, bullish, closes out the support though, so you need the breakout trade on that one. Gold's holding its own down at that support level. So I would only look for crypto sales, so need a rally before we do anything. Oh, hourly just looks like we're rejecting this price point, 48.30. Yeah, I don't want to get caught in this. I mean, in fact, the 5-minute actually looks better than all the other charts. It's very clean. You can see. Nice. But yeah, no, I'm going to stay away from that for now. I'm not sure we're going to get too many trades here today. The one I'm going to focus on for the next 20 minutes, if it pops up, is NASDAQ buys above 28. Sorry, 24,846. Um, oh, sorry, what's the questions? Uh, Mark, what hours do you trade live each day? No, so normally today is a members only session, but I had some issues with Zoom last night on a coaching session, and I didn't want to just risk it now because I was late today. So for general public, it's Monday and Wednesday at 1 o'clock. Members, we have 6:30 a.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then 1 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday. Obviously, they can tune into the general public ones as well, and they also have 8 and 9 p.m. on a Monday and Tuesday, and a video analysis on a Wednesday as well from another market analyst. So quite a few. Um, so yeah, we're live quite a lot. And when I'm not live, I'm usually coaching, or as members know, I'm usually in the bloody hospital at the minute. It's like my second home. Yeah, so for those of you, I mean, anyone that's interested as well, we are running a membership lifetime offer at the minute. Yeah, so that means instead of paying the annual fee of 997 for 1 year, when you pay the annual fee, you're getting lifetime access. And if you are UK based, there's a Klarna option as well, so you can split the payment into three. Yes, you can split the payment into three. Uh, that's probably why you see me yawning a little bit, because I had a lot of streams yesterday, and then I don't know if he's on today. Stephen, are you on? And then I had Stephen Buckley at 1 a.m. this morning from Bermuda. And then not long after that, we, we went to our second home. But fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, come April, once the little princess is out, that would be the end of me in bloody hospitals for a long time. Um, yeah, I'm just waiting, guys. Waiting patiently. Uh, yeah, I mean, look, yeah, you can, if you want to buy above that high, you can do 48.70. There's $16, so plenty of room. Oh, stop it. Quite cold at the moment, 18 degrees. Oh dear. Right. Okay, guys. Um, I have to shoot in a second. I don't think I'm going to be taking anything else. So we got one nice trade. We got 50 pips, 55, I think it was. A little bit extra, but yeah. We'll come back What day is it? Wednesday. So tomorrow morning. No, it's Thursday. I've lost a day. Uh, okay, Friday the 6th. Do you know what, guys? I will do a YouTube session tomorrow morning. If anyone is wanting to join us for the London session, I'll do one at 6:30 tomorrow on YouTube because I missed one this morning, so I'll throw one open to everyone tomorrow. Who's open to that? Sound good with anyone? Who's going to tune in if we go live tomorrow? 6:30, yes, sir. Nice. Okay, superb. So, for those of you that potentially interested, uh, there is a link. I've just shared it. Um, it is open to the next 10 people. I've had three members already subscribe, or well, not subscribe, just upgrade from either monthly membership or annuals. So if you're interested, guys, there's a Stripe link that will give you annual lifetime access to Mark Owen Concepts, the community, trade ideas, setups, watch lists, live streams, the whole shebang. Uh, so just click on the link. And like I say, if you're in the UK, there is a Klarna option as well. All right, guys, I need to call it a day now. I will see you all on YouTube 6:30 tomorrow morning. Bye bye.